for today as we explore the fascinating world of one of the most amazing creatures of the seas, the dolphins! Now, here at Ocean Adventure, we have 4 dolphin species. We have a pygmy killer whale, a pantropical spotted dolphin, a spinner dolphin, and the dolphins you're about to meet, the bottlenose dolphins. Now let me introduce our dolphin friends to you one by one. Starting out with a female bottlenose dolphin named V. Next up, the matriarch of the pond, Haley. And last but not the least, our only male bottlenose dolphin, Enzo. Now folks, our dolphins here are very friendly, and they would like to welcome you all with a nice wave hello. Come on guys, wave down and say hi. Now, whales, dugongs, and dolphins are not fish. Or are they? Are they fish? No, they are mammals, that's right, just like you and me. But how can we tell? Well, first, fish swim by moving their tails side to side, just like this. See that? Now that looks kind of funny for them, right? But for dolphins, their tails look that powers them through the water moves up and down, not side to side like a fish. Alright guys, show them how you really do it. See that? Up and down, right? And now that we know that our marine mammal friends breathe air, but how do you think they do it? Well, they use the blowhole on top of their head. Listen. Now that blowhole has a lid that opens and closes so that no water gets inside. And did you know that these sentinels are excellent divers? They can dive as deep as 1,000 feet and hold their breath for about 8 to 10 minutes. Try that sometime. They also use the blowhole to talk, using a variety of clicks, squeaks, squawks, and right? But wait, there's more. Get ready for the most interesting feat of all. If Michael Jackson can do the iconic moonwalk, well, our dolphins, they can do this. They can rock and roll. Let's have a round of applause for our amazing dolphin friends. Now working with these, so we have invited a lucky guest from your audience to come meet our dolphin friends up close and personal. Oh, I think there she is. Okay, stand up now. Alright, let's move on the side first, because Enzo will give you a surprise. Oh, and that surprise would be, a nice photo with your newfound friend.
May bayad.
Okay, Dad, what was it? Well, did you have some fun though? Yes, okay. But before you go, well, I have a question for you. First, can you smell your hands? How does it smell like? Malangsa, fishy. From the fish, right? Earlier, yes. Well, don't you worry, because I will teach you a technique that we trainers use to get rid of that fishy smell, okay? Let's go this way, man. Now, all you have to do first, stretch your arms out. There you go. And shake your
lobster tail.
Lobster